welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you to my 194 subscribers for your continuous support. You are all the best. If this is your first time here checking out my channel, make sure to subscribe. Today I will be sharing with you how I make two of my many different kinds of chilies. My favorite kind of chili involves 3 types of beans with meat I will share with you at a later time. Both chilies that I've created for this video are not necessarily the traditional way. Both of my chilies have a combination in flavors my mixed family enjoys. I hope you all enjoy and try this at home. Both recipes will be linked in the description. These are Sofrito peppers, and I highly recommend this for this chili because they have a great smoky but mild flavor without the heat. They originally came from Japan, but they are used in Asian and Spanish style recipes. They are a good source of vitamin A, C, and E with rich antioxidants. I will link more information below. So instead of using like a cream of chicken or cream of cheese, I am using plain yogurt, and it's whole milk so it can stand up to the heat. Otherwise you can do the low fat, but just be careful that it does not curdle your sauce. So this is just another way to thicken up this chicken chili. I'm gonna put a little bit more seasonings, just put the liquids in and let it do its thing and come together, and then we'll have a white chicken chili, one version of it at least. And this smells really awesome already. If you don't like plain yogurt, you can also use sour cream. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with our green chili enchilada sauce. And since I used 2 pounds, 2 cans of bean, I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. It's a great way to get quick flavor in there. And just going to go ahead and put my chicken broth in here. Let that slowly warm up. I love using Badea seasoning, and this is not a sponsored video, but I love their seasoning because many other seasonings do not have added salt or high levels of sodium. And you will see the Badea seasoning that does have added salt, I use a lot less in my videos and usually in all of my cooking. If you are ever unsure of the ingredients, their website is very user friendly and will show you all the ingredients and other options of seasonings that they have available. And if you want to know why I choose to use sea salt in most of all of my ingredients, there's a great article from the Heart Association that explains sea salt over table salt. I will link more information below in the description. What's your favorite brand or seasoning? Mix equal parts of oil, broth, and self-rising flour. Because I got a little heavy-handed with the chicken broth, so it's not as thick as I wanted it to be. Like the chili, I was talking and not paying attention, so this will make it thick like a true chili. And of course, I only cooked it for about 20 minutes. If you cook it slower, it would really thicken up. So this is just another way to thicken up your chicken chili.